Hi Radhika, thank you so
Hi.
much for coming to the channel.
My pleasure, my pleasure.
So first thing first, how is the Inspire India Summit? How is the vibe? How do you
this
feel
is my first time coming to this event, and I didn't know कि इतना अच्छा event होगा, and I was so glad when I got this opportunity to be a part of this event. I mean, so many fitness athletes, so much to learn from such great athletes. अगर हम athletes की बात कर रहे हैं, if we are talking about trainers, if we are talking about coaches, if we are talking about famous personalities, every single person is here. So you know, so much to learn, and it's always good when you actually, अगर आप एक fitness athlete हो and whenever you go to such events, तो वहाँ पे जाके जब आप बाकी fitness athletes से interact करते हो and जब पता चलता है उनके बारे में, then you know you get so motivated and वो self esteem अपने अंदर आ जाता है कि यार we are into this such a huge industry जहाँ पे इतने सारे लोग हैं and they're so ambitious, they are so passionate about their profession. I mean, fitness is not at all easy. It's not at all easy. I mean,
देख सकते हो
हम लोग से बोलते रहते हैं कि यार हम जिम जाएंगे, बट व्हेन यू एक्चुअली हैव टू गेट अप इन द मॉर्निंग, इट गेट्स सो डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज आपको अपना एम सेट करना पड़ता है, एंड इफ यू हैव नॉट अ पॉजिटिव माइंड सेट व्हेन इट कम्स टू फिटनेस, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस फिटनेस इंडस्ट्री. इट डजंट मैटर वेदर यू आर एन एथलीट और नॉट, बट इफ यू आर कॉलिंग योरसेल्फ अ फिटनेस पर्सन, देन एक्चुअली यू हैव टू प्रूव इट.
Absolutely. वो प्रूव करना बहुत जरूरी होता है.
That is the most difficult part.
So असद के साथ आपका मतलब एक जर्नी कैसे स्टार्ट होता है, कब आप मिले उनसे?
Actually, I joined Curves by Asad in 2018.
Okay.
I didn't know who was Asad Hussain. It was my partner. He is my fiance. I mean, अभी नहीं है, होने वाला है. So thank you. And he introduced me to Asad because he has been very supportive. He always wanted me. He has actually pushed me. I never imagined myself to be an aspiring bikini athlete.
Okay.
And he was like, you know, you should go for it and all that. So he actually introduced me to Asad Hussain, and at first I was not serious about anything. I didn't even know that I'm going to be a bikini athlete, and you know, Asad sir was always strict to me, and he was like, you have to do it, you have to do it, you have to do it. So I have always seeked consistency from him, and the team he has got, if we talk about Sunaina Sethia, she is the most consistent athlete of Curves by Asad. So my journey with him has been a complete roller coaster ride. I mean, even after joining Curves by Asad, I was not, वो कहते हैं ना, obedient student नहीं थी मैं. I always used to get beatings from him. I always used to get scold. You know, he always used to scold me and all. But today, when I was sitting on stage and presenting Curves by Asad, I felt that, you know, this is something which I have to do till my life goes on. I mean, because even if I'm going to step on stage, I will be representing my coach.
Absolutely.
And because of him only, I am here in this big event. Because at the end, आप अपने कोच को रिप्रेजेंट करते हो. आप अगर एक फिटनेस एथलीट हो, so you're not only representing yourself, you're representing the people who are behind your journey. And मेरी जर्नी में, if I talk about, Asad Hussain plays a very important role. उनके बिना तो I can't even imagine myself as a fitness athlete. So yes, that's it.
Great. So planning to compete this year or next year?
This year is almost gone.
Sorry.
Yes, next year, probably, I think July. That's in July. Yes, July I will be competing. So hopefully, अगर pandemic वगैरह सही रहा तो
6 months hardcore training and
absolutely. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but all I know that I have to do it.
Great. I wish you all the luck for
Thank
your
you so very much. Thank you so much. You too. Thank you. Bye. Thank you.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like our video and if you want to promote yourself and motivate others, you can connect with us. To connect, you can find all the details in the description. Please like, share and subscribe to my video. To subscribe to my channel, click here, and to watch our previous videos, you can click here. Thank you so much.